Here I have Motorola Moto G51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change camera photo resolution on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. Go to the photos section, and here you can select rear photo resolution. You have recommended 12.5 megapixels, and you have 8 megapixels resolution. So yeah, you can also change front camera resolution. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.